Hey guys, quick one for you today. Graham cracker crumbs, 2 cups. Quarter cup melted butter. 1/3 cup granulated or brown sugar. Mix this together. It's going to be a no-bake cheesecake. My mother's recipe. No-bake cheesecake. There is no baking whatsoever. So if you got company coming over and you want a cheesecake, it takes like 20 minutes, if that. Okay, graham crackers are all mushed. 9-inch spring pan. Dump in your graham cracker base. Using your cup, try to pack it down. This way it gets tight to the edges and reduces crumbling later. There, in the freezer, 15 minutes. Look who it is. Oh, caught. New bowl. We can see right through it. Let's go this way. New bowl. Whisk attachment. 1. and a quarter. Heavy cream, whipping cream. Stiff peaks, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, pop this off. Set it aside. New bowl. Yikes. Same attachment, whisk. Whoa. Yeah. Cream cheese. 2 cream cheese. 24 ounces. Cream cheese, or 678 grams. Half cup granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons icing sugar. Quarter cup sour cream, room temperature. Teaspoon vanilla. Teaspoon lemon juice. Okay, mixed. Yikes. Speed, we're going to add whipped cream. Yeah. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Hey there, guys. You go slow. You don't want to dilute that whipped cream fast. Get out of there. There we go. You should have a nice, tasty. Oh, yeah. You did good, my beauty. We take out the crust, as we've seen before. Take out the crust. Fill this puppy up. Awesome. Again, a sink full of dishes. We're going to spread this out along the edge here. Remember to butter the bottom of your pan because I forgot. So I'm hoping it doesn't stick because it isn't cooked, so it shouldn't in the scheme of things. So you can eat it plain, or I have canned cherries, or you can put fresh cherries on, fresh raspberries, cherries, whatever you like, strawberries. I have canned cherries. So it says to sit in the fridge 6 to 8 hours, covering with the old cling wrap. Okay. I hate this stuff because it never rips properly. Okay. Some foil. I think she just did 2 foils. To keep us kids out of it. So that goes in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. It says overnight is best, 12 hours. The longer refrigerated, the nicer this cheesecake will set up. Quick, no bake cheesecake. I never knew I had to wait 12 hours to eat it though. It's sad, isn't it? When I saw it, it was always made. And it was there. Anyhow, we'll do a little time warp, and we'll be back. Put the cherries on and take a piece. I can't wait. But wasn't she great? Good morning. I moved around the edges here with a knife just so it wouldn't stick, which it has, but not bad. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And that's how you hold this now. I think I need a sharper knife. Hey, baby, don't be sticking. Oh. It's not sticking, but it ain't lifting. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think it's sticking. Man. Oh, maybe not. Yep, the whole layer's stuck. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? What the crap? I buttered that and greased it. It's not sticking. It just didn't come out. I didn't cut it deep enough, I guess. I'm gonna go. Olay! I didn't cut it deep enough, so it is what it is. A little bit of cherries. So this is just cherry pie filling. Oh, look at it. Ooh wee. Okay, guys. I messed up the cut. I was going to cut another one. I thought, I just messed it up. I didn't cut deep enough. Anyway, Mom's no bake cheesecake. So what I remember now, the memories were flooding in as I cooked this, or didn't cook it. Used a casserole dish, a glass casserole dish, which does the same thing, but I guess it comes out easier. Maybe that was the idea. I don't know. Total prep time, real time, to make the crumbs, pack it, make the filling, 20 minutes. Just got to sit. It's sat overnight, so so it sat from when you saw me till this morning, 8 hours. So I guess you could monitor it. It says 6 to 8 hours. So yeah, it's good. Or make it the day before. You know you need it. Awesome. All right, guys. Comment down below if you like this video. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in a few days. Have a good week.